QuickBooks is the financial tool for millions of businesses, but most only use a fraction of its power. What if your data is so unreliable it's causing decision paralysis, stopping you from making critical moves? This isn't just a feeling of being stuck. It translates directly into quantifiable financial losses. A bad setup means you could be literally giving money away by overpaying on taxes and missing credits. We'll show you why this happens, how to correct it, and how to turn your financials into a competitive weapon. The problem begins on day one. Most owners use the software immediately with no formal training, setting a trap. Does that sound familiar? This rush creates foundational mistakes that quietly corrupt your data for years. First, failing to reconcile. Unchecked accounts mean missed or duplicated entries, distorting your numbers. Second, misclassifying transactions. Assets are logged as expenses, mixing personal and business costs. These are not small issues. They compound, turning your profit and loss statement into a work of fiction. But these errors are just symptoms of a much deeper, strategic failure in how the system is constructed. A default setup is limiting. Out of the box, QuickBooks provides one global P&L. It shows if you made money, not where or why. You cannot see which service is most profitable, which location is failing, or which project is bleeding cash. This internal data mess then causes tech stack failure. Your other business apps won't sync, causing constant data conflicts. So what's the first bill that comes due for these mistakes? Massive cleanup costs to untangle the mess. The second cost is that tax overpayment we mentioned. It's a direct result of the misclassifications from a sloppy setup. But there is a final catastrophic cost that can cripple a business's future. What is the ultimate price of untrustworthy books? The answer, your company's valuation is put at risk. When you seek a loan or try to sell, messy books will diminish your business's worth. So the stakes are clear: paralysis, wasted money, and a devalued business. But what if it could be your engine for growth? This is where we go beyond basic bookkeeping into financial intelligence. It begins by using features most users ignore. First, use the projects feature to track profitability job by job, seeing your actual versus estimated costs. Next, apply tags for custom reports. Track marketing campaigns or client types without a cluttered chart of accounts. Then automate with bank rules to categorize 80% of expenses instantly, removing manual entry and human error. This automation directly affects your wallet. Automated invoicing can get you paid up to 4 times faster, improving cash flow. Recall that decision paralysis? This is the cure. With real data, you stop guessing and make strategic moves. And the risk to your valuation? High-quality, real-time financials are the foundation of a strong valuation, proving your business is well-run. This is what turning financial management into a competitive advantage looks like. It's about speed, accuracy, and insight. The gap between this chaos and control seems huge. So how do you bridge it without years of painful trial and error? You don't learn this from generic videos. You learn it from certified QuickBooks Pro advisors, people trained by Intuit. Their purpose is to build your system correctly from the beginning, correcting hidden errors that lead to costly mistakes. Our Business Accelerator course delivers this expert-led, hands-on training. We go beyond data entry to command profitability. We begin with a precision foundation and setup to guarantee your data is accurate from the start, preventing common problems. From there, we show you how to manage income, expenses, and payroll to generate the reports that guide smart decisions. You will stop guessing and start knowing. You build the confidence to manage your own records and avoid expensive errors permanently. Stop letting financial management be a source of stress. Build a solid foundation to maximize your bottom line and gain a true advantage.